Hello, today's video I am going to show you how to add Snapchat link to Instagram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open your Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on top right share icon. Now click on copy link left button. Now go to your Instagram and tap on your Instagram profile icon. Now you have to tap on edit profile. From here you have to click on add link. Now again tap on add external link. Here paste your Snapchat profile link. Also add name of your link. Now tap on top save icon. In this way you can add Snapchat link on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.